Hey YouTube, let's take a little look at this GMC short bed pickup truck heavy half. They've had for a couple years now. Um, Combination color reminds me of my father's old dually he had back then. Same color actually, and it was a single cab. I used to clean that truck for him all the time. I remember detailing the wheels for them all the time. They were painted white, and they would get little rust spots on them, and I would always keep them clean with compound or something. But anyway, this is a small block 350 Chevy, or GMC. That's been hopped up at one time. This truck had some options. You can see the module back there for cruise control, and there's the cruise control unit there. Back in the late 60s, that was a dealer added item. I'm not sure about 79. The original owner started taking this apart and found out this was all rotted. But he really didn't look too far because the whole cab is disaster. It's gone. But I have another one to replace that. So I showed you that in my last video of the garage tour. And then I realized, hey, you know, I never did a little video on this little guy. Let's check it out. It's got some pretty cool things going on. The rally wheels. I mean, they're not uncommon. They're not rare. They're there. Two-tone paint with all the trim. The GMC. The Heavy Half original stickers. It's on spit sheet too, which I have stored in a safe spot. It's totally apart. The last owner took it apart. He was starting to restore it. I think got in over his head though. The rot in here is pretty bad. It's pretty bad. It's not just floors and cabs and corners and rockers. It's like, it's bad. There's like an inch of rust down there. Just flakes, not just the floor. If you come to the door, you can see it has power options. Windows and locks. See if you can get there's the power lock cylinder. And the power window cylinder motor down there, if you can see it. It has a tilt wheel option in here. See if we can do this one-handed. There we go. It's pretty cool. The seats are actually in pretty good shape and would actually clean up. I mean, it's just starting to come apart. I have AC. You saw that in the front. The bed is in pretty good shape actually. I had to replace the tailgate. Corners are not bad. There's some rot on the other side. That's a different tailgate I put on there. I'll be looking for a better one. It's pretty straight on the outside. It's not horrible, but inside it's definitely from a work truck. It's better than nothing. There's a little bit of rot down here. That's nothing. It's a skosh. Rust starting in there. I mean, surprisingly enough, this truck is in rough shape as it is. It's worth a few bucks. Here's the extra cab I have, and you can see it's in way better shape. Way better shape. It'll be a lot easier to fix. There's a little bit of rust here and there, but nothing I can't handle. back here. I have doors that are all wrapped up. They're GM doors. I have crates of parts in my front office thingy. There's another radiator support. Another door I've been carrying around for a while, and some stuff that came off the truck. But yeah, so GMC Heavy Half short bed. If you don't know what a Heavy Half is, it's like the Big 10 in the Chevrolet version. In '79, what they did was trying to beat some of the emissions stuff. They added more weight to the truck frame and called it a Heavy Half. This way they didn't have to put catalytic converter on it. But in '80 they caught on to that, and they changed it. So yeah, thank you government regulations. I also had a tow package. I'm pretty sure this was aftermarket. The module is inside the cab on the lower part of the dash. I would think that's aftermarket. There's the module right there. I mean, I wouldn't tow anything seriously heavy, maybe a little bass boat or small trailer here and there. It has a 2-inch regular tow hitch. It's been there for a long time. But yeah, this truck will look pretty cool. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with it. You know, working on a Camaro more, but yeah, just what do you think? I mean, if this was Texas, would it be in better shape? Would you still build it? Trucks are huge out west. There's a huge following for these trucks. I always love the truck. I always have a daily truck. But yeah, what would you do? Would you restore it? Would you flip it? I mean, there's no flipping this for me. I'm too invested between the parts, the truck, cab, then moving it here. If I flip this, it would be a loss at this point. But I should try and get it together somewhat, right? Right, I figured. Another thing to do on my list. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, and have a great day. And keep on motoring, keep on building, keep you motivated. That's what keeps you sound mind and body. See you later, bye.